Hello Libra, how are you? Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your weekly career, money and business reading for the week of 10th August to 16th August. So let's see Libra, what's there in store for you for this week in career, money and business situation. This is based on your zodiac sign, Sun, Moon and Venus rising. So you could check your moon sign, sun sign or Venus rising also. It might resonate. So let's start Libra. Just shuffle these cards. A good shuffle lets more accurate results. So we need to really shuffle minimum of 3 to 4 times. Okay, so let's find out Libra. Great. Queen of Wands. This is your first card. This is your King of Wands. So this is what Libra, this is your first card. I mean, you are charming, charismatic, you have all the good looks, you are social, outgoing, partying and socializing. You have a good time, you are having good time with your either this is your energy wherein you're caring, giving, throwing a party, and you feel like a Queen of Wands. You are also in a very, very good mood, very, very charming mood. This is what I feel for you Libra. So both King and Queen, this is your energies. It is enjoying your life, enjoying your whatever you have worked for till now, Libra. So it shows a very, very good card for the beginning of, once your week starts. Very good card. Also it feels that you will be highly attractive to look at. You will take care of your looks. You'll be sensual, you'll be highly sensual and highly attractive to others. So that is what I feel. People will notice you, and there is a flirtatious kind of energy also. So I feel in your office space or workspace, everybody is gonna notice you Libra. Very, very charming and charismatic you are in your work, job and general life too. So let us look at the other cards now. Okay, so here we have Six of Swords. So some of you are moving. It could be traveling, it could be international travel or a sea route or by a boat. Maybe it could be a sea travel by ship, or but this is for some of you, or any kind of travel. This is related to your work, business, job, anything. So there is travel for you here. Maybe you are going to meet distant relatives also. It could be this week. So it could be personal as well as professional travel. This is what I see. Okay, so here it is. This is Four of Cups here. So I feel that for some of you again here, few of you here Libra, I feel that maybe some of you are traveling or moving towards another destination because you weren't happy with something coming into your way here. There was something which was coming into your way which you did not like, and maybe it was a partnership, a collaboration, maybe a job offer coming to you, but it shows that you weren't interested. You were okay with what you have. You are just okay with what you have presently, and you are not interested in any other thing now. You are self-absorbed, and then this could be related to whatever you are in present situation. The travel is for that purpose only. It is not for something new. That is what I feel Libra here. Let me pull up. Okay, I mean, very few cards popped out, so we will need to see again if it was the Magician card. So Libra, here you are trying to manifest things. you want to manifest it at a faster speed, very fast, quickly you want to manifest. So you are taking help of, maybe you're taking the help of the divine, divine forces, and you are trying to make it a reality for yourself. I mean, substantial, something, material. So here you are trying to manifest something which I feel, and you will be successful. So let's see what are you trying to manifest. Let me pull out clarity on the Magician card. What is Libra trying to manifest? Okay, this is showing that money situation. There is a money situation that you are trying to manifest here, Libra, with the Eight of Pentacle card. It could be anything. Maybe you are working towards something which you want money to come, and this is a money situation which you are trying to manifest, but you are working hard on this. Eight of Pentacle card, really hard work, really focused work. This is what I feel here, Libra. So I feel this week is great for you guys. I mean, you are happy with your present circumstances. Now, Page of Pentacles. Here it talks Page of Pentacles, and one more card, please. Verification card of the Page of Pentacles. Ace of Swords. Okay, so Page of Pentacles is also about some of you who are trying something new in the money situation, maybe it's a business situation, job situation, whatever. This will get you stability. Whatever you are trying, it will get you stability. Something new, something brand new, initial stages. Some of you are taking the journey with you getting Ace of Swords also. Very much clear you are, what there is a lot of clarity in the situation, and I feel that you are really going to be successful with this new situation that you are going to go, Libra, with this new money situation. It could be business, partnership, alliance, new associations. So it's just an initial stage of something, and you see, you are blessed. Your thought process, you are blessed with this. It will get you abundance, prosperity, and also this Ace of Swords talk about some money coming in. Also, I would like to tell you here that for some people some money might just come. It is not related. Now these two cards I am not talking about together. Even if Ace of Swords tells that some of you are getting money from your, either sudden money you are getting from something which you have done in your past, or there could be a sudden money coming to you. Also, I feel people in publishing, media houses and book publishing, I mean, these people, advocates, are really going to do well. You are really going to be successful here. Also, with the Queen of Wands and King of Wands, all the deals that you are going to do in real estate, real estate, it could be buying, selling, or share bonds, share market bond. See, so many pentacle card and so many communication. So communication could be coming regarding your real estate deals, renting, leasing, buying, selling, share bonds, and your money situation also looks really satisfactory, Libra, here. This is what I feel. So overall, a good week. You are charming, you are looking handsome, you are looking beautiful. I mean, that is there. So all the best, Libra. Everything you are going to do this week is you are going to be successful here. So let's see what the angel guidance have for Libra here. So that will help you, smooth sail the week further. Angel guidance for Libra. Face your fears. Release the power of fear. So this is what you have. If you have anything in mind that makes you a little fearful, just leave that fear and you face it and release your fear, and you are going to move forward. So this is it, Libra, for you for this week. Have a great time, and thank you for taking out your time and watching this video. I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers. A big thank you, and lots of love. Take care.